Good morning, lovely people. Bitcoin right here got rejected from this resistance. Are we going to see Bitcoin setting a higher low right here and have another try to break that resistance, or are we going to see a further retracement? Want to have a look with you guys at this chart, because this chart is something I've been warning you guys of in earlier videos. And of course, guys, we will have a look at whale pressure as well, because I want to start off with that, guys. Yesterday I shared it over on Twitter as well, over on the whale portal Twitter. But when Bitcoin topped out yesterday, we can go to the chart basically. Let me show that chart to you guys. Guys, what I want to share with you guys here is that Bitcoin yesterday got quite a drop, quite a big wick to the downside. A wick of over 3%, almost 4%, which is actually quite significant, right? A significant drop in the Bitcoin price. And if you would have looked at Whale Portal 1 hour before that drop, you actually would already know that most likely we will see Bitcoin's price going down, as we went to oversold conditions right here in the taker buy sell ratio. So let me show you how that looks in the chart, guys. At this specific moment, at this green candle, around 23,700, 23,800, we got that signal over on Whale Portal that we are seeing increased amounts of selling pressure occurring in the market, and eventually we had a drop of roughly 4.75%. But yeah, really a couple of weeks or couple of bars later, we did got quite a drop. And that is also what I want to share right here, how powerful such a dashboard actually is, because this dashboard can really give you a edge against other traders, right? We know exactly when there is buying pressure, we know exactly when there is selling pressure, whenever we have to be careful what the funding rates are doing, whether are more people long right now or more people short, what's going on. And normally most traders are not really looking at these specific metrics, so that's why it is very lucrative to look in these metrics, and these metrics will only become more and more and more. This website will become the best tool for traders out there, for crypto leverage traders, in specific Bitcoin right now, in order to become a profitable trader. And I've been working on this website already quite some time, because I started with this website over when I was living in Indonesia, so that's already longer than 6 months. This website is 100% for free, and you can just use it. This is just right now for the community. Of course, if you have any feedback, please drop it down below. That is also very appreciated. But yeah, yesterday's drop, you could actually already predict with the Whale Portal dashboard. Then, guys, I want to go to the S&P 500 real quickly before we are jumping into Bitcoin. Let's go to the daily time frame, because this is a chart I have been talking about with you. And that is that right now we have seen a falling wedge formation, something similar as Bitcoin. Bitcoin also see a falling wedge formation, right? But right now we get a nice breakout to the upside. The target of this wedge is the top of the wedge. Let's take the conservative target right here, 44.80. That is definitely still a big move. If we were to reach that target, that's a move of 13%. Of course, there's no guarantee that we are going to meet that target. However, this chart does tell us that the S&P 500 is looking bullish because of a bullish breakout, which means that the confidence of the S&P 500 also can be felt in Bitcoin. So that is important to note, because if we, for example, look at Bitcoin, and Bitcoin is going up, but we are seeing something very bearish occurring on the S&P 500, and that's a warning signal, because these charts are heavily correlated. When the S&P 500 drops significantly, most likely Bitcoin will too. So guys, so far we got a rejection from that level of, we went slightly above 24,000 US dollars, but I would say the main level is around 23,500. We get a wick, so a correction is at its place at least. But I want to show you what we are seeing on the 1 hour time frame, because the 1 hour time frame is actually looking quite interesting. In the shorter term time frame, we do see, not yet confirmed, but that the buying pressure is increasing right here. We can also see it in this chart, the buying and selling pressure, we are going up. Also, when we have a look at Bitcoin, we had quite a correction right here in a bullish uptrend. But if I bring out the momentum indicators, interestingly is that we can see that the relative strength index, as we are talking about very often, retraces farther than the price. How can we see that? Well, we got a low right here, we got a low right here. The price is here, higher low, and the relative strength index is here, lower low. We got a buy signal on Orion's belt showing us that bullish divergence. We almost get a bullish crossover on the MACD. So this is on the 1 hour time frame looking actually not too bad. Of course, we got a support level right here at 22,685. If we were to lose that level, okay, we can see Bitcoin coming down a little bit lower right here. If we have a look at the 4 hour time frame, we can see that there is slightly more space to the downside. Let me get rid of these beautiful drawings right here. What we can see on the 4 hour time frame is that there is a little bit more room to go down. So that doesn't mean that Bitcoin price has to go down. We can also move a little bit sideways while the momentum indicators are coming down. That is all possible. In the shorter term time frame, on the 1 hour time frame, things are not looking too bad, to be honest. And I would expect that Bitcoin sooner or later is going to retry and break that resistance as of now. With all the indications that I'm seeing now, that I think is more likely. We might come down, test this important level of 22,000 as support, then get another go at it. If we break this level of 23,500 decisively, I definitely think Bitcoin can make another nice rally, a rally that we all deserve and that we all have been waiting for. So guys, that is basically the analysis of today. Hope you enjoyed it. If so, smash up that like button. If you are new, make sure to subscribe. Make sure, guys, to follow Will Portal over on Twitter. These signals will be tweeted out as well. So when there's a buying pressure, selling pressure, there is a bot automatically tweeting about it. Same as with funding rates and fear and greed index. And yeah, as you can see, it has been already showing a lot of significance, and it will show only more significance in the future. Guys, if you are interested in trading Bitcoin, I'm recommending 3 exchanges. I got affiliate links to all of these exchanges down below this video. If you sign up on one of these platforms using that specific affiliate link, you can get an additional bonus. On Bybit, you can get a bonus right now of $4,500. On the Femex platform, you can get a bonus, and on the Prime XBT platform, where you can trade Bitcoin, altcoins, but as well the regular financial markets, you can get a bonus of up to $7,000 with the affiliate link down below. Guys, for all the traders out there, if you are interested in that, you can find all of these links down below. Also the link to the Will Portal Twitter. I want to wish every single one of you an awesome day today, and I hope to see every single one of you in the next video.